Good afternoon to you. Perhaps I should put my name forward for the man band. Not, of course, that I'm old enough. And I suppose, if nothing else, a quick rendition of Singing in the Rain is probably going to be appropriate in the very near future. Now, yesterday, here in London and many other eastern parts of England, we saw the warmest day for about 6 months, and we weren't alone. Temperatures in France and parts of Belgium and the Low Countries were also a good 10 degrees above average. But as here, it has all changed, and I think much of Europe in the next few days is going to be cooler and fresher and rather unsettled too, with some showery outbreaks of rain, whereas the Mediterranean is holding on to some fairly fine weather. We've got low pressure all around us. We're going to keep low pressure all around us for the foreseeable future. Not necessarily the same low, that one moves away, but more come in to take its place and keep the old isobars packed in too. So it's often quite windy, as well as, of course, often fairly wet. And that's the way things are going to be even into next week. We had the rain during yesterday evening and overnight. That cleared away, the skies broke, and we have left behind with 1 or 2 showers. But you can probably see down to the southwest the way the cloud is already thickening, and that's the sign of trouble to come. But I think today's blustery showers are mostly going to be homing in on Northern Ireland and Scotland. Cold and windy there, fair number of heavy showers, especially in western areas, some sleet or snow over the hills. 1 or 2 showers moving across England and Wales as well, and the cloud thickening in the southwest, some more general rain coming along during the course of the afternoon. Cooler and fresher virtually everywhere. That little area of low pressure is going to be zipping up the English Channel or across southern parts of the country during this evening and tonight, as you see here. It brings rain to most parts of England and Wales, except perhaps the borders, and over the higher hills in the north that rain will turn to sleet or snow. Fairly mild though in the south, but cold further north still. Scotland and Northern Ireland actually even getting a touch of frost. That area of low pressure will move out of the way tomorrow. It gives us a fairly wet start in central and eastern areas of England, blustery showers in the north and the west, and that showery weather spreading to the rest of the country during the course of the day. Temperatures rather like today's. But the unsettled theme goes on, because on Thursday more active weather fronts moving in from the Atlantic. So we're going to start off bright and perhaps in places frosty too, but not lasting all that long. Wet and windy weather will sweep into many central and southern parts during the course of the day. Scotland staying brighter with showers. Still low pressure around on Friday and indeed into Saturday, so both those days continue unsettled with rain at times. Good afternoon.